Hello there. Today, while I was updating my Mac OS to the latest one, Mac Tahoe, I noticed after updating the tilde key is incorrectly typing the rupee symbol and not the tilde symbol as expected. If you have come across the same, here is a solution for you. Here, if you notice on my text pad, I have rupee symbol appearing instead of tilde. To fix this up, what I will do is I'll go into the Apple menu, click on System Settings, and in System Settings, I will just go into Keyboard from the left panel, and inside Keyboard, I have my text input, and under that, it is input sources. That is what I need. I'll click on the Edit button here. And when I do that, I see my input source have ABC India. So I need to replace that with US. To do that, first I will need to add at least one input source, and after that I can remove this one. To add a new input source, I'll click on this little plus symbol on the lower left of this window. Then I will just scroll here and select US. You can select US International PC or US, whichever suits you. I'm going to select US International PC and click on Add. After doing that, I'll select my ABC India and click on minus. That will remove my ABC India keyboard from there. Now I'll click on Done. Now I come back here. When I insert tilde, I have my caret symbols back. If I hold Shift and insert, my tilde is back. That's how I fixed it. I hope you find this helpful. In the next episode, we will explore more things. Till then, stay happy, stay lovely. See you soon.